sampah sembarangan. Udah tahu sampah biang masalah, buang sampah pada tempatnya lah.
Iya ya, kalau bukan kita siapa lagi? Ayo kita buat Jakarta jadi bersih.
Apakah Pak sudah Pak dari nyiapin?
Thank you very much. As you know, we are from Toyota, not Indonesia and not Japan. No, we are from Singapore. Yeah, our company is Toyota Motor Asia Pacific Private Limited is the how to say regional headquarters of Toyota Motor Corporation Japan. It's a regional management issues that we are doing, and especially okay, we came here today, to thank you for your, the effort, the IP protections here. We are also that IP protections works, regional IP protections work. We are doing in Singapore, and so our concern is especially for the Thailand, Indonesia, Thailand, and other the country like Vietnam is our the biggest concerns countries, especially for the targeting the 2015 AEC's buildings, we are hoping some very how to say beautiful and fruitful the protections the environment, so that each country is they invite for any investment here. Right. So at the past the few years experience in IP area, looking at the Indonesians, there are so many we find that our product under counterfeit products, and the thank you for the justice some the protections works that we have done. And still, I feel that still, some things, difficulties, not going well, and some, the customers, of course, not the customers also, and also some vendors, there are so many vendors, counterfeit products, right? Even though we do some, enforcement, not so much, the effect. And, I'm afraid that point, and also, setting aside, such a certain things of the enforcement, I think that, IP is anyway, it's government policies, or industry policies with each countries. So, we are shifting to the more focusing on the, some, the bilateral talks with, the governmental officials, how do we do, and how will you, or the create, how do you intend to create some IP friendly, environment, So today, thank you for your time again. If I have some frank communications with you, I'm very happy for that. Yeah, thank you very much today.
What we can do as the city government, because some
I should say, thank you very much for the last year's initiative on the September, right?
Himbauan gubernur itu, Pak. Itu Toyota sangat berterima kasih sekali itu karena sangat convincing kepada.
Tapi kalau law enforcement kan memang kita pun punya persoalan. What? We just will talk a very small matter about the law enforcement. What's different us with Singapore or with like Canada, America, like the country? Like we talk, it's very simple thing, like a vendor street or like motorcycle a contraflow or traffic warden could not find them. We have to ask the judge to make a decision how much fine. And you know our judge is very little, it's not enough time. Once in a week they come, and we could not detain them. We have asked the judge to go to the side and make a call.
Yeah.
If Singapore is different, in Canada is different. If you are against the law, the rule, they give you a fine slip.
The ticket. Yeah.
Ticket you have to pay in the
Yeah.
bank. If after 1 day you don't pay, 2 times. If you don't want to accept this fine, then you bring this case to the court. And if you find guilty, 2 times or 3 times fine you. That's why nobody want to bring to the court. And the court don't want to do. They have many big things they have to solve, to do, not the small thing.
Is internship.
Yeah. But here we could not. And like a police talking about traffic or traffic warden. After the new law 2009 for traffic law, all the right to fine under authorized police, not traffic warden. That's why we also ask them. And now we have a busway, bus rapid transit. Many cars get in our busway. We couldn't find them. And when they bring to the court, we said maximum fine, almost $50. Bring to the court. The judge said, it's pity, okay, $5. Oh my, just payment. And you couldn't imagine, no, judge, come on. I asked the police, they have a two ticket, a slip. One is blue and red. It's red, they bring to the court. I said, just give them the blue one. Find them. But the law said we have to ask which one you like, blue or red. Everybody said we prefer red. Yeah. Because cheaper. And so we talked to the judge. I come to them. Please help us. When you make a decision, the maximum penalty. Yes. After in the court, the same. So I asked them, what happened? We feel pity, they show, they want to repent, they want to do that again. This talk about the law enforcement. That's why sometimes we like to make a joke. It's more easy to solve this problem. We move our office to North Merdeka Road. You know North Merdeka Road? We have a South Merdeka Road here. City Hall is South Merdeka Road. North Merdeka Road is a President Palace. The move as a president is more easy. Because police under president. But we just want to do statement, everything, but it's not how to say it. After that, people will realize you're like a tiger without teeth. Yeah. There's a little problem. A friend will tell you this is we face daily. Yeah. So what we could do more? What you suggest us, if we could do it, we're willing to help. Because this is for our nation too, for our economy too. Not only for your product, it's for the economy. For how to educate people to realize which one is right or wrong.
Yeah, from our point of view, meaning the industrial side, right, and private sectors.
Yeah, we hope the investor will come because they have kepastian
legal certainty.
Legal certainty. That's very important for the investment.
For the legal from Vietnam, and then this is some people's mind matters. How to say it, no?
Yeah, mind matter.
Your mind matter.
Your matter, what do you mean?
Yeah, mata.
Ai.
My mata is mean that you're doing some.
Oh, my
Yeah.
mata.
Having some hanky-panky.
Bribing lah.
Corrections. Yes.
This. What we try if under our the Jakarta authority, we could have, we really could have, because for Mr. Governor and me, it's very easy to be a governor and vice governor. Only two things: never accept bribing. The second, never afraid to die. Die is again. And people, you could solve many problems. Only two.
Yes.
Yeah, only two. Yeah, because this is all a statement from very old, from Chinese. Never afraid what kind of the government official. You just have to start afraid to the government official when they don't want to accept your bribe. It's very easy. So when we become a government official, we just say no for bribing. They were afraid, start afraid to us, because we stick on the rule. I say I just obey the constitution, not obey the constituent. I don't care if they want to vote for me again. I don't care. I just obey my constitution. I don't care who you are. That's in our mind is like that. The second is never afraid for dying, because die is again.
Never afraid of what?
Never afraid for dying.
Oh, dying.
Yeah, lose your life, because die is again. It's like a business. Die is again. You know Marilyn Monroe? Marilyn Monroe? Until today, you just think her as a beautiful, because she's dying young. You never know. That's why die is again. If you could die young, it's also again. It's good.
It's a profit.
Yeah. You know why? In Jakarta,
Oh.
everything already is complete. What's the problem? What's the solution? You know everything. The problem is every execution you make will disrupt the interest from the poorest to the richest. Jakarta has too many vested interests from many groups. That's why every decision will have to face a problem. If you afraid of dying, you never make a decision. We could not say like this: my decision is don't make a decision. Even don't make a decision is my decision. You could say this if you are common people. But when you become a government official, you're taken off to be a government official, different with a businessman. Businessmen never taken off when one will get into office. But for us, have taken off. I have to make a decision. In my authority, I have to say yes or no. I have to solve the problem. Many problems, from morning until night, we have to face many problems. And every decision will make some parts of the people unhappy. Like flooding, you see. I just sent a short message to CEO, Toyota CEO, Astra CEO, not only Toyota. We're talking about the inspection road around the riverbank. And all the riverbanks occupied by the illegal housing. Illegal housing.
Housing.
Yeah. They stay there since 75. You could imagine almost 40 years. They stay there, and they feel this is their right. But make a flood everywhere. So we said you have to demolish your illegal housing. I make a new resettlement for you to the low-cost apartment. They don't like me. So I asked my staff, he reported to me, sir, already done. And what the result? 200 people curse you. 200 people don't like it. I said, it's okay. And how many people we avoid flooding? Maybe 600,000 or maybe 6 million. Sir. I said, even they don't say thank you to me, I don't care. Even if 200,000 want to curse me, I don't care. Because I just obey my constitution, because I take an oath. So they said, we don't want to fight for you again, 2017. Some of them say they fear, sorry, why fought the wrong person, don't protect them. I said, thank you, not fought for me again. 2017, you just remember, maybe you 7 generation, never fought for me again. You find the better one. I don't care. And that's what we do here.
So, Pa, I think just now you mentioned that, number one, there seems to be a lot of procedural problems in enforcing the rights, actually. For Jakarta, at least. There's a lot of procedural problems, there's sort of administrative problems that prevents the effective implementation and enforcement of the laws with regards to protecting IP rights. What we're concerned with is...
Attorney is not under us, under the president. Police not under us.
So what are your initiatives? What, did the Japanese, and the Jakarta government, take the good actions?
Oh, we do. That's why we talk to the police. We try to persuade them.
Yeah, what are your motivations? What are your motives, to do that?
Well, because I want our city become better. Because 2015 you say like that. We have an Asian community, we have an Asian free trade area.
That's right. Just,
Yeah.
That's the
Yeah,
driving
that's
force.
Yeah, we don't want to be left behind. We have to make our city the same standard with Asian city. That's very important for us. Yeah.
So, do you have any idea, for us in the industry sector, private sector, can support the Indonesia for the IP areas?
Yeah. I think
Do you have any idea?
maybe you open more authorized agent.
Authorized?
I mean, speaking personally, together with K&K representatives and my colleagues in Indonesia, we actually did a lot of survey here. And despite having quite a number of authorized distributors, unauthorized as well as counterfeiters,
They also
here side by side.
Because you're mine.
Yeah.
He said two sides.
Yeah, two sides. So,
And,
Really ini semua hanya balik ke polisi. Kita tuh nggak punya hak untuk menangkap mereka.
yeah, but
Pemda tuh nggak ada hak. Saya boleh usul di mana? Himbau-himbau lama-lama diketahui orang juga.
rests with the police, not them.
sebenarnya ada peraturan
Ada caranya kan?
Ada peraturan Menteri Perdagangan. Para pelaku usaha yang terbukti melakukan pelanggaran hak
Kita tutup.
bisa cabut izin.
Oh udah, ini aja. Ini selama kasus narkoba. Sorry, I prefer speak Indonesia sometimes. This is
Yeah, good translation.
we just try to make an agreement with the police because now it's a kabar reskrim the Pak Suhadi Arius is a center apa
Criminal Investigation.
Mabes ini. Tista. This is a good man. He called me, talk to me. This like for a narcotic. Maybe we could copy this idea. It's not narcotic. You know what happened with the drug in entertainment place? If you don't let them for clubbing use of drug, nobody will come to your place. That's why the owner said, yeah, we don't sell it, let them do it. The police also have some have a
But guys.
yeah, it's a crook. Some have police as a crook police. Yeah, some
They're corrupted.
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 Yeah. Kayak kalau itu crook itu mungkin bajingan di sana. Crook itu ada juga kan kalau politisi begitu. So they don't want to do anything. This 3-star general called me. How about we make an agreement? Now we're still drafting the agreement. If the press found 2 times has the guest used the drug, I will close their business. No problem. I think this is the same idea. Maybe we talk about this. If they could find 2 times, we could make macam surat edaran MOU dengan kita, siapkan draftnya, kasih kita buat kita acara kayak gitu. Kalau nanti ketangkap dia jual yang fake atau yang palsu ini, yang counterfeit 2 kali aja. 2 kali lah, nggak usah 3 kali, bisa keenakan. 2 kali, sekali bisa hilaf. Kalau 2 kali mah sengaja atau gitu, kalau sekali hilaf. Atau dia belum tahu edaran kan. Dia satu tuh kayak peringatan. Kita tutup aja dengan kantor izin tuh dari mana ya? Perdagangan kita tuh di ini ya. Dia perdagangan tuh di mana gitu ya? Di industri ya?
Di industri, kalau dekat provinsi ya kami.
Industri kan gitu kan?
Ya, kalau di provinsi masih.
Siapin draftnya, nanti saya panggil kepala dinas itu untuk merumuskan itu. Lalu pasti takut kan? Jadi semua toko, kita mulai dulu yang toko-toko izin. Toko-toko gede juga main tuh ada kan? Tapi yang bengkel-bengkel bawah sih belum bisa lah. Itu ya. Kita mulai dulu yang di mall, yang di ruko-ruko yang resmi gitu. Yang dia udah minta TDP segala macam itu. And it is good idea. I will translate for him.
And also, it's a very good idea. If we can collaborate also with the industry and trade provincial level government office. You basically any stores or any vendors that get caught of selling stores or vendors that get caught of selling counterfeit products twice, then the business license will be revoked by the provincial government.
It's more easy for us. But bring them to jail, to the court, we could not.
Yeah. So
how do we?
How to proceed is we need to talk with the industry and trade provincial level office. Then we also help Pak Ahok in drafting documents. Give it to Pak Ahok, and Pak Ahok will work together.
I don't understand. What do we do?
We need to do.
We means industry.
Yeah, industry preparing the draft.
Oh, we to Pak Andi.
Agreement.
Izin dagang toko-toko yang menjual barang palsu, ketemu 2 kali kita cabut.
Office of the Industry and Trade Department from the provincial level. Because this office is basically the office who issue a business license. So if this store get caught of selling counterfeit product twice, then Pak Ahok.
Just that law firm can support them. The law firm can support them.
But the support is coming from the industry, not from the law firm. It's industry. So industry initiative, talking to the industry and trade.
We will make a local law.
Then Pak Ahok will issue
that's why we did the draft. We have to find out. Tantailannya undang-undang gimana? Ada undang-undang semua.
Focusing on the Jakarta city.
Right.
So
as a start, hopefully.
If you said the whole Indonesia, wah.
It might be a good idea.
Mereka pindah Tangerang. Persoalan itu paling susah tuh yang di Tangerang, Bekasi.
So we'll work with the law firm, come up with a draft.
Bukan gini, kita minta tolong cari tanda dan dasar hukumnya supaya si kepala dinas perindustrian saya bisa keluarkan peraturan itu gitu. Kalau kita disuruh balik, tutup dia bisa disuruh balik kan. Dia bisa ada dasar hukumnya. Mau saya cari lawyer hebat, itu kan udah tahu legal standingnya. So I have a legal standing to issue a new local law
to withdraw the business license. Undang-undang
ada sebetulnya.
Undang-undang yang baru di approve oleh DPR ada cantolannya.
Yang kasih kita aja kirim kita.
The Ministry of Trade just issue a new.
Kalau kita disu dia baik loh, di PTUN kita tutup toko dia.
The Parliament, Indonesian Parliament just issue a new trade law, basically give the legal standing for the local government to issue them. So we can use that.
So it's based on that legal standing.
Then Pak Ahok
issue subsidiary legislation. Is this provincial law or?
It will be provincial law.
So we'll start with Jakarta. This is a revocation of business license. The idea that you have actually forwarded previously.
Hopefully at the provincial level we'll copy.
So that office can actually endorse this?
Yes, because the law will be signed by.
Spesialis jualnya mahal di depan, kan itu nggak mau diturunin juga kan?
I mean, it's issued by Pak Ahok. It will be, although the law will be in the provincial level,
Right.
but the noise will be national level.
Yeah, because
Pak Ahok.
coverage media here is more than 70% coverage media in Jakarta.
Yeah.
We do everything. We'll inspire another
The one is inspired.
governor to.
But we have another, the provincial programs, right? Other than the Jakarta, isn't it?
Yes.
What was that? Medan.
This is
This is
a
a
different,
different-
yeah, a different tradition.
Medan mah lebih ini lagi deh.
Lebih berat.
Bahaya. Ya.
Dengan bea cukai kita sudah banyak bicara Medan, Jawa Timur, bea cukai di Jakarta.
Kalau banyak masukin import-import tuh barang-barang yang
Betul.
dari Taiwan, Cina terutama kan.
Ya.
Wah pusing.
Okay, let's just
Sama ya kita
legislation
beli-
to the
kerja.
Jakarta government.
Cina bisa tanya, kamu mau yang harga berapa?
Iya, ada grade-nya kan, ada KW-KW-nya gitu.
Nah, ya, Pak. Oke,
Okay,
I think.
promise.
Yeah.
Very good, Pak. Thank you.
Don't worry, our province will spot, fully spot. Yeah, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Ya,
Ahok, terima kasih banyak.
Bu, masih
Iya, terima kasih.
punya itu nggak? DKI punya souvenir.
It is not a bribe. Just a souvenir.
Gratification. It's more than expensive gratification. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Tadi ya.
Yes, Anda.
Masih ya? Drink? Minum dulu. Ya. Kita nggak tahu sekali. Welcome.
Terima kasih banyak, Pak.
I'm not driving you.